In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert cryptocurrencies right from your browser using CoinMarketCap's converter tool. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're active in the crypto world and need to quickly find out how much your cryptocurrencies are worth in different currencies. First, we'll need to get everything set up. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser. This could be anything you usually use, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar. This is typically found at the very top of your browser window. Click inside this bar, type the following address, coinmarketcap.com/converter, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. Doing this will direct you to the CoinMarketCap converter page. Now that you're on the correct page, let's move on to selecting the right cryptocurrency for conversion. You'll notice a drop-down menu in the first box on the page. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you're interested in converting. For our example today, let's imagine you've picked Bitcoin, but you can select any cryptocurrency you're interested in. Next, we'll decide which currency we want to convert that cryptocurrency into. Look at the second drop-down box right next to the first one. Click on it to see your options. This list includes various fiat currencies like USD and PHP. Select your desired currency from the list. Staying with our example, you might choose to find out the value of Bitcoin in US dollars or Philippine pesos, but again, the choice is entirely yours. With our currency selected, the next step is to decide the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to convert. Click into the third box space and type the amount. For instance, if you're converting Bitcoin, you could enter 0.5 to see the equivalent value for half of a Bitcoin. The idea is to input the specific amount you're curious about. Now the magic happens. As soon as you enter the amount, you'll notice that the converted value pops up automatically in the second box. There's no need to hit any extra buttons. The system takes care of the calculations for you instantly. Isn't that neat? You now have an accurate conversion that lets you see in real time how much your selected cryptocurrency is worth in the currency you care about. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to use the CoinMarketCap converter tool to manage your cryptocurrency conversions quickly and effortlessly. Feel free to explore different cryptocurrencies and currencies to familiarize yourself even more. Thanks for tuning in, and happy converting!